Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug the micro USB cable into the controller and a USB port on the Ps4. Hold the PS button for 2-3 seconds until the light bar flashes. That initiates pairing. Make sure the console is awake or in rest mode so it can accept new devices. If the controller was linked to another console, use settings devices to clear previous connections. Once you see a steady light, the system recognizes the controller, and you can proceed to configure input assignments. Once the controller light flashes, go to Settings, then Devices, then Bluetooth Devices. You'll see the controller listed as Wireless Controller. You select it. The Ps4 negotiates the connection and updates the icon. This is how the console verifies input and assigns profiles. If it takes longer, disconnect and reconnect the USB cable to force a wired handshake. Make sure you assign the controller to your account when prompted, because that links saved data and profiles to your account. You're nearly done. Test inputs in Settings Devices Controllers to confirm sticks, buttons, and vibration respond correctly. If movement is off, recalibrate by powering down and reconnecting via USB. That often restores correct analog behavior. If nothing pairs, reset the controller using the small rear pinhole for 5 seconds, then retry pairing over USB before switching to wireless. One key troubleshooting tip: bad cables or dirty contacts are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.